Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to access OneDrive from your PC without syncing. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and head to onedrive.com. Once you're on the page, sign in to your Microsoft account using your credentials. This will give you access to all your cloud files through the web interface. After signing in, wait a moment for the login process to complete. You'll then be directed to your OneDrive dashboard where you can see all your stored files and folders. Now, this is where the magic happens for accessing OneDrive without syncing. Instead of downloading the traditional OneDrive desktop app that syncs everything to your computer, we're going to use a much lighter solution. Look at the top right corner of your browser's address bar. You'll notice a small Install App button that looks like a monitor with a download arrow. This feature is incredibly useful because it creates a direct gateway to your cloud files without taking up any local storage space on your computer. It's essentially a progressive web app that runs directly from your browser but feels like a native desktop application. Go ahead and click on the Install App button. A small prompt window will pop up on your screen asking you to confirm the installation. This window will show you what permissions the app needs and where it will be installed on your system. Click on Install to proceed with the installation. Now wait a few seconds while the installation process completes. The browser is setting up the OneDrive web app on your computer, creating shortcuts and configuring it to work seamlessly with your system. This usually takes just a moment, so be patient while everything gets set up properly. Once the installation is finished, you'll have instant access to your OneDrive files whenever you need them. Simply click on the OneDrive icon that now appears in your browser or on your desktop. This gives you the best of both worlds, full access to your cloud storage without the burden of syncing gigabytes of files to your local drive. It's perfect for computers with limited storage space or when you only need occasional access to specific files. And that's it. You've now set up OneDrive access without syncing, saving valuable space on your PC while keeping all your files just a click away. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.